The university says they're working closely with public health officials to identify the source of the outbreak.
E. coli is a bacterium, and it's a specific kind that is associated with usually the gut. We have some pathogenic E. coli, and that's the ones that we're usually concerned about being in our food and water because they can make us sick.
The Arkansas Department of Health is investigating an outbreak of Shiga toxin-producing E. coli. They say it's one of the most severe forms of the disease.
This is a serious illness, so it should not be taken lightly. So that is the whole reason they are admitted to the hospital, and the patients are quite sick.
According to an email from the University of Arkansas, the outbreak started about a week ago. Since then, 4 people have been hospitalized and 100 others have been exposed. The ADH says the exposures can be tracked back to the university.
The Department of Health gets notified when certain type of cases are admitted to the hospital, and that's how we were notified of a case almost a week ago.
E. coli can be transmitted through undercooked food, contaminated water, or from coming in contact with another person who is sick. Jennifer Cuff with the University of Arkansas says signs of E. coli infection include nausea and vomiting.
If you have an E. coli infection, then you're going to see symptoms like diarrhea, and it may progress to bloody diarrhea to the extent that they would classify it as grossly bloody diarrhea. And so that's the point when you really need to consider going to your healthcare provider. But you can also have severe abdominal cramps, sometimes vomiting.
To help keep students and staff safe, the university has implemented additional surface cleaning and sanitizing protocols. But they say proper hygiene and hand washing is also encouraged.
I would like to advise people is, make sure that if you're using any food products, it's properly washed. If you're eating meat, it's properly cooked. And most importantly, make sure you wash your hand every time before you eat food, after you eat food.
According to that email, the university says their main concern is caring for those who have already been exposed to E. coli and preventing it from spreading further. In Fayetteville, LaKyra Banks, 4029 News.